Daddy, somebody needs help on his bike.
Yeah. There you go. You did a whole lap that time.
Avi, come back here.
You get ripped off on that one too, the pedal. Yeah.
Set that thing out straight. I'm really pleased with that.
This is a really good yard for that.
It's usually fun.
I love how he's pretending he's not that interested.
I don't care about the color.
Now he's going in for the kill.
No, he's not. He's trying to see. He's not going in yet. He's kind of scared.
Go, buddy. How much food did you get?
Huh?
How much food did you get? On the bike.
Good. I'm taking video right now.
Huh? Oh. Oh, push. Push hard, buddy. Push hard again. Push it hard.